if the sum of all the factors of the polynomial 5x square minus 3 plus k into x plus 7 is 0, then the factors of the polynomial 2x square minus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus 30 are. It means one polynomial is given, the sum of the factors is given, and we are required to find the other one. Here, if the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then the sum of the roots is always minus b upon a. So in our case, let's see. So b in our case is minus 3 plus k, right? And a is 5. So sum of the roots will be minus b, means plus 3 plus k upon 5. But what is given? The sum of the roots is 0. Therefore 3 plus k upon 5 equals to 0. Okay. Therefore solve this, you will get k equals to minus 3. Now what we do? Put this k in the second equation, second expression, that is 2x square minus 2 into k minus 3 plus 11 into x plus 30. Now it's simple then. The roots, here the expression becomes 2x square minus 2 into minus 3 plus 11 into x plus 30. Solve this, you will get 2x square plus 60 minus 16x plus 30. Now to take 2 common, it becomes 2 into x square minus 8x plus 15. Then what are we required to do? We require the factors, not the sum of the factors or product of the factors. Okay. So find the factors. X square minus 8x plus 15. So 5 3s are 15, minus 5 minus 3, right? Minus into minus plus, and 15 it becomes minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. So yeah, if you have 1 in place of as a coefficient of x square, you can directly take this as roots then. Therefore 2 into x minus 5 into x minus 3, right? Therefore the factors are 5 comma 3, means x equals to 5 and x equals to 3. These are the factors. Of course 2 is also a factor, but it's a constant factor. So we